Hi there. In this quick video we are going to be taking a look at this PARKSIDE Steel Folding Step. Non-slip fit for stability and grip. So here we have the dimensions of it, open and folded, maximum load, and it has a safety latch so it cannot close on itself by mistake. Maximum load almost twice my weight, so no issues whatsoever. Indoor use only, retain packaging. Really? Anyway, and it folds for space storage, which is great, and I need something like this because I have stuff up the wall and they are at the limit of me being able to reach them, but not safely. So I decided, you know what, I don't want to fall or that stuff fall on my head. If anybody has a need for this info, right here it is. So let's open this thing up. Manual for a folding step. Let's see, how do you do this? Okay, so it seems we press that thingy, lock, unlock. So that thingy is on a spring, and when we press this one, it also presses that one. And then lock. This thing, fairly beefy, welded, so not riveted, which is great. Yes, this is a bit harder to press, but I don't think anyone will have a problem pressing it. Yeah, okay. And these pins, okay, with safety pins, all of them, they are not going anywhere out of there. But again, manual for this, what the hell does a manual like this do? Obviously, where the hell is English? Okay, if you want to read any of this nonsense, and please don't put your cat in the microwave oven also, because for me this is the level of manual for something like this. If you want the online PDF version, and that's about it with English. Yeah, paper briquettes I will be making out of these papers. Search for the video on my channel, and if it's not up, it will be up soon. If you want this info right here also, 1 person max, but I have no idea what they are showing us here. Anyway, it is what it is. Oh, it has a handle. That's actually nice. A little plastic handle, and daughter coming in to visit me. This is plastic, this is not rubber. These feet are also kind of plastic, but they do have this, so no slip. I wouldn't say, they can still sleep on stuff like this. But yeah, for what I see, I don't really care. But as you can see, it's moving, but it is really freaking sturdy. So that part they got right. Honestly, I don't know what else to show you. Paint is matte and seems, camera focus, like a fairly durable paint, so I wouldn't have any issues with that. What I honestly would have liked to see, this being rubber and this being rubber. Or at least some kind of much more flexible type of plastic, maybe TPU or who knows what. But yeah, let me just go on top of this thing and see how I feel. Oh no, this thing doesn't move. Even if I try to wiggle in all directions, this thing does not freaking move. And I can reach my stuff, although I'm too far away from the wall. I need to get closer to the wall. Okay, I'm still reaching a little bit, but as you can see, I have much more. Yeah, this one is coming out hard, but yeah, I didn't even show you anything. This one is coming out hard, but by the shape of the support, so I'm still reaching a little bit, but this is a me problem because these things are right up against the ceiling. But yeah, the stair itself is absolutely, or the step, great. Awesome little thingy. Yeah, up till now this thing is great. Lots of clips. As you can see, every single one of these things is clipping this plastic in place. Yeah, to fold it up really easily. So, and now it's also locked, so they will not wobble about when you carry it, and you can hang it onto something like this, or you can just prop it next to the wall and it's out of your way. And found the perfect place for it on my wall. Maybe I will add here something just so I'm sure it doesn't have a tendency to come forwards, but as you can see it's quite forwards, and the fact that its feet are back actually makes it wanna go right up against the wall. But yeah, anyway, safety first. Luckily it's not even that heavy, maybe 3 kilos, 2.5 kilos or something, but yeah, again, safety first, so probably I will attach it to the wall. But that's about it for the video, nothing more that I can tell you. It works, stiff enough for 80 kilos more or less that I have for sure. They say 150. From what I see, yeah, probably they are right. And yeah, for one person, because honestly you saw when I was on it, there's not really enough room for 2 person, but yeah. Anyway, if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.